Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Ayushi and today I am going to share with you a gratitude exercise that will help you in strengthening your relationships and it will make you feel important about yourself. Now, why are some of your relationships better than the others? Because, listen to this closely, because of the way they make you feel about yourself, right? So, what does that prove? That proves that in any relationship, we do not look at a person, but we look at qualities of a person, right? So, how will this gratitude exercise help you in strengthening your relationships? By the way it makes you feel about yourself, right? So let's jump quickly to the exercise. So in this exercise you need 3 steps. The first step is to decide how you want to feel in your relationships about yourself, right? That is number 1. Do you want to feel loved? Do you want to feel important? Do you want to feel appreciated? Do you want to feel trusted? Do you want to feel respected? List the qualities. What do you want to feel? Now, the second step is, after you have done deciding the qualities, now you have to thank the universe. Thank the universe for blessing your relationship with that qualities. Thank you, universe, for blessing my relationship with love. Thank you, universe, for blessing my relationship with importance. I feel important about myself now. In that way, you know. So the third step now is to thank the universe for every relationship which is already wonderful in your life, or for any relationship which was wonderful in the past. That will make peace with your past. Now, why is this so important? Why will gratitude work? Because the universe loves gratitude. It will multiply all the goodness in your life. So, the golden rule is, universe multiplies every area of your life for which you are grateful. I hope this helps you, and for the next video I am going to share with you how to increase your abundance with the help of giving. Thank you friends for viewing this video till the end. Do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.